My wife is a Y62 fan from hell. She loves them, absolutely loves them. I've organised some off-road parts for it, and we're talking bull-bar, we're talking winch, we're talking roof rack, we're talking wrap, we're talking tyres, wheels, the whole shooting match. I want to go nuts, but she's not going to let me. So I've had to do a little bit of a Swiftie.
Hello.
Hey honey, how you going?
All right, how are you?
Good. Now you're talking. So it's going to take a little bit longer for your patrol, so you're going to have to do without it for a while. Is that all right?
Why is that?
Oh, I don't know. There's just a couple of dramas with the stuff. Yeah.
What stuff?
So this is all the gear.
Oh, it's Christmas again, mate.
Just with the, you know, the bull bar and stuff. Yes, yeah. I'm feeling it.
I haven't picked a bull bar yet. Have you already picked a bull bar?
Yes.
Ah.
I'm not sure whether that went down real well.
Oh my God, is that my car?